I had no plans to open this box, but it looks like a model it's on. Somewhere, so I'm going to just open it, and then later we do a proper review unboxing of this thing. So what's in here? There's a lot of engines here. So, oh, look at that. So this is going to be a huge, huge unboxing. But just for now, I'm just going to turn off that engine that is somewhere. And I mean, this is huge. Can you guys see that? There is a lot. I'm just looking for the one that's making noise. It's here now. Oh man. These are tons and tons of models still inside somewhere. Okay, we found it. Come on. No, still inside somewhere. Oh man. There are tons and tons. What is that thing? What? Can't find it. What the? I'm still looking for it. Sorry guys. Okay, now here it is. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to blow out this unboxing, but it's what time is it? It's like at 10 p.m. and I just hear this noise. So we do the proper unboxing of these models. There's a lot, thousands, I mean hundreds of engines and cars all together. So it's about 300 pieces. So you've seen right there. So it's not enough time for me to do this, and especially this time. So see you guys later. Bye.